Namaste. Welcome to Institute of Hotel Management Hajipur's Club Insomnia Kitchen, and I am your chef Anupam. Today we are here to present you one of the modern delicacies, that is Cajun grilled pomfret. To help me on this dish, today I have Chef Ritik, who is also a team manager of Club Insomnia. So Ritik, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what kind of fish is this?
So this is pomfret.
Very good. This is pomfret fish. So under classification of fish, where will you put this fish?
So under the classification of fish, it comes under the flatfish.
Yes, pomfret, even though pomfret has eyes on both sides, but still it comes as a flatfish. I have already explained about the cuts of pomfret and different other things in the previous video. So please watch that videos to learn about the basic cuts of fish and how to identify what category of fish you are using. So today I am going to use pomfret. Now I am not going to use some simple cut on this. We are going to debone this. Debone the whole pomfret from the center, whereas the whole pomfret will be there, and then we will marinate. So we'll get into that. So you have to cut from the belly, okay, and slowly. I am using small knife. You can use your knife which you are familiar with. Slowly you have to go till the tail, okay, and then you have to see that you have to touch here, that you should get till the bones. See here, on this top we will cut this small so that it removes from there, and then again on the side here we will give a small cut without cutting the flesh. So you will see that the bones, this bone should be separate from your flesh. Our fish is boneless from inside, you can see here. After that, we will give a small cut. We will remove this fin, okay, from both the sides. We will remove the top fin also. This tail will give a nice triangular shape. Now this fish is ready now. You can remove the eyes if you want, or you can keep the eyes, it's your wish. Now we will give a little bit of cut on this so that the marination goes inside. Now we will marinate our Cajun grilled pomfret. First we will do the seasoning, and I am using here sea salt. You can use any other salt of your choice. Turn the fish. Okay, we have added sea salt. Then we'll put black pepper, crushed black pepper. Now I love the taste of crushed black pepper. You can also use white black pepper powder. Turn them. Turn this also. Okay. Now our fish is seasoned with salt and black pepper powder. Now we will prepare Cajun marination. To prepare Cajun marination, you need onion powder, you need garlic powder. I am using a fresh garlic. Now fresh garlic, chopped garlic will give more intense flavor to the fish, and trust me, fish tastes excellent with this chopped garlics. Now we are using all this as a flavoring agent. So then we will use paprika powder or cayenne pepper powder. I am using here cayenne pepper powder. You can use paprika powder for less spiciness, or you can, if you want more spiciness, then you can choose your chili powder or of your choice. Now we'll put some herbs in this. I am using medley of different herbs: basil, thyme, parsley. I am using here dried because that is what is available in our kitchen, you can use fresh herbs and oregano. To get little more flavor, I am using fresh mint, chopped mint here also. To get some sweetness, I am using honey. And I am using oil, olive oil. You can use any other oil of your choice. Now please mix them. I have already added salt, pepper on the fish, so that's why I am not adding any more spices on this. Now this marination, I have to marinate the fish for at least half an hour. So now you marinate the fish, take the fish, apply marination on both sides, also on the inside. Inside that we have removed the bones, so put that marination inside also. Our fish is marinated for half an hour. Now we are going to grill it. You can also use griddle or a pan on which you can fry. You can also cook it in the oven. It's your wish. We are going to grill it so that a nice grill marks will come out. The grill is hot. Apply very less of oil. And as I said, it's your wish which method you want to cook your fish. You can grill it, bake it in the oven, or fry it in a frying pan. Now we will turn it. Very nice grill marks you can see on top. So we will let it cook from another side also. Our fish is grilled. Now we will do the plating. Our Cajun grilled pomfret will be served with the starch accompaniment. This is a potato cake which we have prepared. This is mashed potato mixed with feta cheese, capers, olives and sauteed onion and garlic. We have made a cake and grill it. So this we will serve. Then we have red pepper coulis. This is red bell pepper which is roasted, then skin is removed, then sauteed with onion, garlic and made puree. And we will be serving with blanched broccoli and bouquetière of vegetables. So let's do the plating. So folks, our plating is ready. I along with Chef Ritik have prepared this dish and trust me, this is awesome and very mouth-watering. Isn't it, Chef Ritik? What you say?
Yes, sir, it is. We can see the appearance of this food. It is looking very nice from the appearance.
So you have worked very hard. So just you can see that on the plate. And as every day to taste the food, we call some eminent personality. So today, our food expert is none other than the F&B faculty or F&B boss of this college, Mr. Kalyan Mukherjee sir. Please sir, please come. And we have also called one of our colleague, Mr. Murtuja Kamal. He is always behind and working behind the curtain. Now we have called him to give us the feedback on this plating. Mr. Murtuja, please come sir. Sir, please taste this food and let us know how it is, sir.
First, let me tell something about the plating. The dish looks something more than awesome. It is tastefully done, and I guess from the looks, it is so pleasing that it is going to taste good. Even before I have tasted it, I can tell that. It is so wonderfully done. Believe me. So,
thank you so
Chef,
much, sir.
I will go ahead. It is melting in the mouth. It is beautifully done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Perfect texture. Good to the feel also.
Murtuza,
Murtuza,
sir.
please, if you can go ahead.
सो डिलीशियस इट इज़ नाइस। मैं तो इस बैकग्राउंड से हूँ नहीं, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैंने इस तरह की टेस्टी जो फ़िश है वो पहली बार इस तरह का मैं टेस्ट ले रहा हूँ।
Wow, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
बनाने वाले ने इसमें बहुत ही मेहनत करके इसको गार्निशिंग भी किया है और इसका जो टेस्ट है ऑसम टेस्ट।
Thank you so much, sir. Your feedback, Kalyan sir, Murtuza sir, your feedback will really help our student or all other people to prepare this dish. And this is it from Insomnia Kitchen for today. I, Chef Anupam, along with Chef Ritik and Chef Sahars Tiwari on camera, would like to thank you and would like to request you to please prepare this dish. Like, comment and subscribe our channel so that we can come with various more dishes like this in the future. So namaste and have a good day.